life go stay fine. You go know say no be your money they work. You go know, you go know, you go know say no be your money. You go know, you go know, you go know say no be your money.
Good morning. Good morning. So nothing serious. I want to clean my house, and I'm like, why not just clean it with you guys? Cause why not? I tried wearing this a couple of minutes ago. I have not worn my waist belt in about 2 years, and I'm trying to wear my waist belt, my waist trainer for the next 30 days and see, and also try to work out and see if there's going to be an improvement. So I'm trying to clean my house. I already started, so I'm like, why not just clean my house with you guys? So yeah, let's just start, okay? I wish I had a manual button where I can just switch, turn off and turn off my camera. She what? Meshai. Can you imagine? I miss Meshai.
The man called the bread giver. The same the man toast and now people will press it and toast it. The man don't carry and press toast.
Chai. How was the evangelism?
It was fine. Funny enough, God embraced me. That's all I did talk. Many people I guess. So that place up to the face.
Okay.
How many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13 people. You preached to 13 people.
And then I got 3 in the car. 1, 2, 3 in the car.
Wait, all of them gave their life to Christ.
I invited them.
Okay.
I talked to them. Gave them reason why they should come. Even when woman says I came to the market, you never know who has problem. You see the woman in her clear that car. She bought things. I just saw her, I just went to the inside. I trust your mother and I said, baby, I saw you. I said, this woman do shopping. Oh, this economy. How many children you get? A carton of milk. Baby. Now, wow. She said,
No, wow.
I said, just 2 children. She said, just 2. I said, okay, they go add more. I said, no, it's okay. I said, I'm not talking like that.
They know they pray that kind of prayer for person in this economy.
This economy is bad. I said, babe. She said, she actually, she grew up as just 2.
I have to clean this place. I don't remove that stupid washing machine that was there. I took it outside. It was irritating me. I moved this wardrobe, turned it to this side, and then I want to move this table. I want to turn it. Yeah, I've been cleaning since. I want it to face this side.
You want it to be in between that curtain, the two curtains?
Yeah. So the back of this thing will be here, literally. And then now looks like there's more space. Because when you enter, it doesn't look like there's space inside this place. But it's the way I arranged it now, because that washing machine was there. So now that I've removed it, it's not what it was called. Don't be your fault. Now because I tell you my weight, I don't blame you.
Even if you don't tell me, pussy.
I'm always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
So yeah, I just worked out and I look very scruffy, very like somebody dragged me out from somewhere. We're gonna try and change that today. I just want to show you guys my hair. I feel like I should just relax and change my hair to dreadlocks, but right now my hair is very, very dry. I washed it a couple of days ago. Can you see the back? Yeah. So I need to go refresh my hair. I could braid it, just retwist it because I did it myself, and I'll be back. My skin is very dry. I don't know. Once I'm done with my hair, I'll probably do something to my face because this is not the plan. Okay. Oh my god. I am completely done.